As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Ethereum cost will hit $2,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $5,000 by the center of 2035. Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,834, so the cost expanded by 54% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1,839, and the year-to-year change plus 54%. The change from today to year-end, 0%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $1,901. In the last part, the cost would add $319 and close the year at $2,220, which is plus 21% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Sunday, August 6, $1,834. Monday, August 7, $1,834. Tuesday, August 8, $1,834. Wednesday, August 9, $1,834. Thursday, August 10, $1,834. Friday, August 11, $1,834. Saturday, August 12, $1,834. Sunday, August 13, $1,834. August 15, $1,834. September 15, $1,835. October 15, $1,836. November 15, $1,837. December 15, $1,838. January 15, $1,844. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. This 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,220 to $3,769, which is up 70%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,220, then, at that point, take off to $2,720 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $2,884. That implies plus 57% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,769 to $4,998, which is plus 33%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,769, then take off to $3,939 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,175. It is about plus 128% from today. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,931.71. So the cost expanded by 62% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,366, and the year-to-year change plus 98%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 22%. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,433. In the last part, the cost would add $367 and close the year at $2,800, which is plus 45% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,800 to $4,382, which is up 57%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,800, then, at that point, take off to $3,430 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $3,329. That implies plus 72% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,382 to $7,053, which is plus 61%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,382, then take off to $4,664 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,944. It is about plus 156% from today. 7/1/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,914.67. So the cost expanded by 60% from the very start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,338, and the year-to-year change plus 96%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 22%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,405. In the last part, the cost would add $363 and close the year at $2,768, which is plus 45% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,768 to $4,333, which is up 57%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,768, then take off to $3,391 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $3,292. That implies plus 72% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,333 to $6,974, which is plus 61%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,333, then, at that point, take off to $4,612 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,889. It is about plus 155% from today. 6/15/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,647.37, so the cost expanded by 38% from the start of the year. The gauge Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,177, and the year-to-year change plus 82%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 32%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,864 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,830. In the last part, the cost would add $171 and close the year at $3,001, which is plus 82% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,001 to $4,521, which is up 51%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,001, then, at that point, take off to $3,037 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $3,493. That implies plus 112% from today. Ethereum forecasts 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,521 to $5,893, which is plus 30%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,520.